What's up, everybody? Jed Johnson here from dieselcrew.com. They call me Napalm. And I've got an unboxing for you to check out. Some equipment from Fat Bastard Barbell Company. It's their series of climber pinches. And they're going to be using these for the Living Legends grip contest in August. Check this out. I'm going to do some training with these today. It'll be the first time. So this is the new adapter for the loading pin that they sent. I believe this is the 4-inch climber pinch. See here the loading pin. Alright, so that adapter is going to go right in the top of there. Tape is defeating me. There we go. A little bit smaller climber pinch. Looks like 2.5. And then 2-inch or so. Those are just estimates. We're going to hit some lifts on this today, see where we're at. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's a little live. Start a little bit of basics here.
Stand there.
Try to be a little quiet. Not a big deal. Coming out that way.
In the place where we're trying to build. All the time. Jed, what do you eat?
What do you mean?
What do you eat all day?
I eat all day.
What do you eat?
I don't eat bread, pasta, rice. Now you're in the middle.
I saw it moving.
But now I'm in a spot that hasn't been touched too much, so.
There you go. Just trying to, I wasn't sure if I was going to fall, but.
Come on. Come on. Come on!
Easier with that.
Is that 2 or 3?
Smell the ocean breeze. Taste the pina colada. Hear the sounds of Hawaii.
Come on.
Feel nothing but the sun with the new breathable air sunscreen, Hawaiian Tropics Silk Hydration Necklace. Aloha
This is a
therapy.
decline. You really don't feel it. You want to do it on this?